My life has been a fight, ain't never had the good things that make my life just right. Now I'm getting tired of carrying water in from the well, 'cause these old coal oil lamps, well, I can't see too well. Oh, my life ain't like the city folks, it's a little bit harder. They've got them bright lights and running water. Up in the morning at daybreak in the cotton patch, crawling on my knees and picking that cotton, oh, it's a killing my back. When I get home to take a bath in my number 3 tub, I grab me a bar that old lye soap, and I'll begin to scrub. No, my life ain't like the city folks, it's a little bit harder. They've got them bright lights and the running water. Someday I'm gonna move to town, buy me a fancy place. I'll have lights in every room and water all over the place. No, I don't mind this country life, though the work is hard. I'm just getting tired of carrying water in from the yard. No, my life ain't like the city folks, it's a little bit harder. They've got them bright lights and the running water.